Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our king bed atrium room at the Gaylord National Resort, so let's take a look. Come into the room, you can see how big and spacious it is. It's really nice, a great big beautiful king-size bed. And lovely decorations and pastel colors. Got night tables on both sides of the bed with individually controlled lights. And some drawers and storage shelves there. Got a nice credenza dresser with more storage space. Nice big flat screen TV. And got a little mini fridge here, which is very nice, so you can store food or beverages while you're here. Got a desk you can use. And got US and USB plugs, which is also very nice. Another night table with more storage space. And more lights. Another light here in the corner. And here's the balcony looking out into the atrium, which is very nice. Got a couple of chairs to relax and enjoy the view. And here's the atrium of the Gaylord National. It's a beautiful property right on the Potomac River. You can see the river outside and the Ferris wheel at the National Harbor area. And there's the lower level of the atrium with restaurants and a bar right there. So just beautiful. This is a beautiful resort. And coming back into the room, there's the king size bed again. And come over here, we've got a little coffee machine. And more storage space, more shelves under there. Water is included and coffee. Full-size, full-length mirror. And a nice big closet with a luggage rack. And a safe for valuables, which is very nice. An ironing board and extra bedding. And last but not least, we have this nice big beautiful bathroom with a double vanity. Very nice. And a great big backlit mirror. And the facilities, of course. And a nice big walk-in shower, which is just beautiful. And amenities there on the wall. And a shelf if you need or want that while you're in the shower. So just a beautiful king bed atrium room at the Gaylord National Resort. So when you're ready to book your cruise out of Baltimore and want to spend some time in Washington, D.C., our nation's capital, or the National Harbor area before your cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.